Hi everyone, welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. My name is Rose, and today we're going to make these great aquamarine earrings for your March birthday person. If you want to find all the materials that we're going to use in this project, all you have to do is find the link in the description below. If you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We're going to start off with a sterling silver eye pin. That's an eye pin because it's got a pre-made eye on one side. Now the challenge is to make an eye on the other side that looks the same. Aha, here we go. I put on a small bead, one of the, these are 8mm, I believe, aquamarine, and this neat sterling silver double-sided bead cap. Isn't that interesting? So you don't need two bead caps, just one. It's going to cover both sides. And another one of those 8mm beads. And now we're going to make a simple loop. I've made those for lots of you, but maybe this is the first time you've watched one of our videos. So if you're one of those people, make sure you subscribe so you can see them all. Okay, I'm going to make a 90-degree bend by just folding that wire over my thumbnail right there. So a 90-degree bend. I'm going to trim off most of this sterling silver wire. I don't need that much. And remember to protect the people who are in the room with you so that that wire doesn't fly off and get somebody in the eye. And also save that sterling silver scrap. Okay, I'm going to grab some round nose pliers. I'm going to grip the very tip of it and just roll it back as far as my wrist wants to roll. Then I'll reposition them and roll it the rest of the way back. And there I have a loop, and hopefully it looks like the loop down below. I also like, just for a little professional touch, to make my loops oriented the same direction. So I'll use both my pliers here to make sure those loops are parallel to each other. Ta-da! Just looks a little bit more pro. Okay, set that aside. We're going to do the bottom part of the earring. I'm using a ball-tipped head pin. Aren't they neat? I like the ball-tipped head pin. If you don't have any, it's okay to put like a 2 or 2.5mm bead down there instead. But ball tips are really neat. Adding a cone with the narrow side down toward the ball tip. One of the big 10mm aquamarine beads. And now I'm going to make a wrap loop. So I need to leave a little bit of a stem there. I'll make that 90-degree bend using my chain nose pliers. And right above the bend, I'm going to use my round nose pliers to make a loop. So I'm going to fold the end of that up and over the pliers and pointing back down again toward my bead. I'm going to reposition the pliers, and I'm going to finish wrapping all the way around. This is kind of a short head pin, so this is going to be a little challenging. I've only got this much of a stem left, and I have to wrap this around my wire. So I'm going to grip the tip of it. I'm going to wrap around like I'm making a spring so that the wire lays next to each other all the way around. Oh, look at this. We're going to use that whole wire. So with a little bit of gentle manipulation, I am going to use the whole wire. I don't even have to trim off any excess. And there I have a nice wrap loop. Now it's super simple. All we have to do is add these pieces together. I'm going to open up the loop on this first one we made, just like you would a jump ring. I'm going to twist it open, not pull it open. Add on that end bead, close it up again. And on this side, grab my ear wire. And it also has a loop that I open up just like I was opening up a jump ring. Open that up. Add that. There you have it. How's that, folks? Simple, quick, and easy. Beautiful aquamarine earrings for your March birthday person. Hope you enjoyed this project, and make sure you sign up for our email newsletter. Get all the videos about these sorts of projects. Love having you here. Thanks for joining me. My name is Rose, and happy beading!